The mobile network not available error on Consumer Cellular typically arises from network selection issues, incorrect APN settings, or problems with IMS registration. Consumer Cellular operates on Verizon's 5G network, so these elements are crucial for connectivity. The error can disrupt calls, data, and messaging, especially in weak signal areas or during network transitions. As of October 2025, it's most prevalent on older, pre-2018 devices lacking full 5G IMS compatibility. The transition to mandatory IMS registration for VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling in Q3 2025 means devices must properly register to avoid this error. In short, this error means your phone can't properly connect to Consumer Cellular's, Verizon's, network. And there are a few main reasons why. First, try the Consumer Cellular app's network reset feature. This forces IMS re-registration and has a high success rate. If that doesn't work, check your APN settings to ensure they're correct, using CCNet for prepaid plans. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and ensure network selection is set to automatic. Toggling airplane mode on and off can also help. If the problem persists, the issue might be signal interference, a corrupted SIM card, or a carrier-side outage. Contact Consumer Cellular support at 1-888-345-5509 for further assistance. For rural users, manually updating the APN with IMS-specific parameters may be necessary. Always back up your data before attempting network resets.